In today's video, I'm going to teach you. Today, I'll show you how to import website data into Google Sheets on desktop. We'll walk through a simple formula that pulls a table or a list from a web page directly into your spreadsheet, so you can work with that data without copying and pasting. Start by opening your Google Sheet on your desktop browser and clicking the cell where you want the imported data to begin. This cell will act as the top left corner of the imported content, and the data will spill into the rows and columns beneath it. To avoid overwriting anything important, it's a good idea to choose an empty area or even a fresh sheet tab. Now type the formula exactly like this. Import HTML URL Table 1. Replace URL with the full website address, including the HTTPS part, and keep it inside quotation marks. The second argument tells Google Sheets what to import. Use table to pull in the first HTML table on the page. The number 1 at the end means use the first table you find. If the page has multiple tables and you want a different one, you can change that number to 2 or 3, depending on what's available. If the page doesn't use tables but has a structured list, switch table to list instead. That tells Google Sheets to import an ordered or unordered list from the page, again starting with the first one it finds. Everything else about the formula stays the same. Once your formula is set, press Enter. You'll see a brief loading message, and then the cells will populate with the data from the web page. If nothing appears, double-check that the URL is publicly accessible and that the site actually contains a table or list in standard HTML. Keep in mind that pages that require a login or that build content with heavy JavaScript often won't import successfully. The best part is that this data will automatically update if the web page changes. Google Sheets periodically refreshes the content in the background, so your sheet stays in sync. Updates may not be instantaneous, as Google uses some caching, but typically the values will refresh on their own without any extra work from you. That's all there is to it. With a single formula, you can bring live website data into your spreadsheet for analysis, dashboards, or reporting. And that's how you import website data into Google Sheets on desktop.